What's going on, Motorhead fans? Welcome back to the Noob series. In this episode, we're going to be installing oil catch can breather. Lots of different names for these, but basically we're just going to be mounting it onto driver side valve cover. Mostly just because it's before the intake manifold, so try to keep a lot of the carbon from building up on the throttle. Basically, we're just going to be bypassing this stock hose that goes into place right here with this separate hose, which will bypass into the oil catch can, and then from here we'll go back into our intake. But this is really going to catch a lot of that oil vapor and prevent a lot of oil and carbon building up in this throttle. Stick around, stay tuned, we'll be adding this in place. Alright, Motorhead fans, we just finished installing kind of like 95% oil catch can. But as you can see, we replaced this factory connection that goes from the valve cover into the intake tube. We eliminated that, added one hose, so it starts from the valve cover pressure, works itself into the in of the oil catch can, on its way out, follows back through, keeping a nice OEM look, and then back into your intake tube. But at least now it's going to be clean, fresh air, no oil residue, and it's going to keep the throttle nice and clean. And if you haven't checked out our last video, make sure you do. We got a surprise coming up on this one. Check out the last one, like, subscribe. As you saw, we were trying to install this GT500 replica grill in place. Didn't really line up well for us, so masalama with this one. But what we did decide to do is remove the inner honeycomb from the stock factory grill. This was originally chrome, but as you can see, we pulled it out and painted it with a nice gloss black. We might leave this honeycomb out for a little while because it just looks super aggressive with it out. We'll end up probably cutting these tabs and then touching up some of the back areas and these tabs as well. But we're gonna make it unique, stand alone. We're not gonna try to make a replica of anything, you know, V6, let's make it look super nice.